Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here with a wonderful news. Sometimes in order to increase your IELTS band score, you don't have to resit in IELTS exam. There is something we call EOR, Inquiry on Result. Now, what is EOR? When you receive your result and you are unhappy with your result. I know you are always unhappy with your result, but if you are actually unhappy with your result and you think you deserve even better band score in two modules, and these two modules are writing and speaking. Remember, in listening and reading, EOR is not going to help you. They are like mathematics, okay? So, but writing and speaking are two modules where you can apply inquiry if you're not happy. That is why they record your speaking test and they have the record of your writing test as well. So, when you apply EOR, Senior IELTS Examiner remarks your test, right? And then they give you the band score, and if the band score changes, they return your money. There is EOR fee, which is around half of IELTS test. For example, if they're charging like $100, so EOR test fee is around $50 or something like that, okay? You can convert into local currency. I just gave you one example. I'm not sure about that, okay? You can just check with your local center. So one of my students, he appeared in IELTS test in India, and after that, when he got the result, he was unhappy. What happened with him? They gave him 7 in listening, 7 in reading, but in one of the modules that was speaking, they gave him 5.5. Writing score was 6. Now see, when you have half band less than your desired band in one of 4 modules, that IELTS TRF, test result form, is useless for you. As a result, you have to apply again, okay? In the past, they actually had some rumors about resitting in one module and all that, but still there is no confirmed news about that. So this student of mine, he decided to go for EOR because he had watched my inquiry on results video, as you guys are watching now. And he decided to go for EOR on 2 modules, writing and speaking. Never go for EOR on listening and reading alone, because there are no chances of band increment there. It's only writing and speaking where if you performed well, band score might increase. So after EOR, his band score did not improve in writing, but his band score improved in speaking from 5.5 to 6.5. I don't know which finger I need to use. Yeah, 1 band increased, 1 band, solid 1 band. Now listen and ponder. One examiner gave him 5.5 in speaking, and then the second examiner, who was senior IELTS examiner, gave him 6.5. It means your IELTS speaking and writing band scores depend on examiners. You are at the mercy of examiners. If examiner is highly qualified, senior examiner, you are likely to get better band score. And if the examiner is junior, new, novice, you are likely to get low band score. But anyways, he's very happy now because now he has fulfilled the requirement of 6 each. He got listening 7, reading 7, writing 6, speaking 6.5 with an overall band score 6.5, and he can go to any country. All the best, guys. Thank you so much. I have made an EOR message. So if you want to apply for EOR, I pray for you that you get your desired band and you don't need to go for EOR. But if by chance you need to go to EOR, I've got a detailed message. You can go through that message before you apply for EOR. All the best, guys. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.